Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So today our topic is how to add a button in SwiftUI. So first of all we have to create a project for that. I already created a project and here we go on the content view. First of all we need to remove this line for that. For button you have to just write button and it gives you some options for that. You just have to write the bracket for that. You can write any actions for that, like when you click what happened to the button, and after that you have to create a label for that where you write a content for that. So we will use the text for that to writing the content. So we are just hello testing button. Okay, when you click save, it's showing the hello testing button option there. There are many properties for that, like changing the foreground color for that, changing the background color for that. So we are using just some of that. Foreground style light red. So here you see the text is red, so we are also changing the background color. Also you can change the background color, so we can write the background dot black. When you save that, it will show the background color as well. There are multiple properties for that, like frame and other things as well, so you can check by yourself. And if you have any questions, you can just comment down below in the video. I will answer it for you. And thanks for watching. We will see you in the next one. Happy coding.